Benefits of sweet almond oil for skin. Skin lightening. Prevents premature aging. Heals chapped lips. Reduces puffy eyes and dark circles. Treats dandruff. Relieves inflammatory conditions. Improves nail strength. Boosts cardiovascular health. Improves cognitive ability. Now foods, sweet almond oil. Description: 100% pure almond oil is an all-natural oil that's perfect for nourishing and reviving any skin type. Almond oil is easily absorbed and won't clog pores, promoting clear, soft, healthy skin. This all-natural skin-nourishing oil is ideal for the entire body. Almond oil is an all-natural oil derived from pressed almonds. Vegetable-derived oils date back to biblical times, when they were mixed with fragrant herbs to create traditional ointments. 100% pure moisturizing oil. Nourishing. Promotes healthy skin. Expeller pressed and hexane-free. Condition: for skin in need of clean and natural nourishment, as a moisturizer or for massage. Suggested use: work several drops between your palms and massage into the desired area. For the face, after cleansing, massage 3 to 5 drops of 100% pure almond oil into your skin, paying particular attention to the area around your eyes. Other ingredients. The almond oil contained in this product is considered food grade. Warnings: now does not test on animals. Please recycle. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.